Everyone, this is Global Education Zone once again, and in this video I'm going to be talking about one important aspect of technical drawing, and that is development. Now when we talk about development, we're talking about how an object looks in when you show all the sides on a flat plane. So that is basically what development is. It's about the appearance of an object when it's shown on a flat plane. Now basically in this first side, this is actually a square prism, and that is an object that has a square as the base. Then it has the parallel lines on the cross section. Now basically what this means is when you project it at the side, you know that this one, if you have a square prism, you have this side and then you have one projection, that is a face on this side, you have another face on this side, you have another face, you have another face. Now basically what you'll be doing is, in development, you are going to be setting these faces side by side. This is the first face from 3 to this face that lies on this base 3 to 2. First of all, let's do the base 1 to 2. This face lies on 1 to 2. So when you outline it like this, how it looks. Then beside it again, when you go from right to left, you get the face from 2 to 3. Then it is drawn. Then face from 3 to 4 is drawn. 4 to 1 is drawn. So and then finally you will now draw the base and the top. So that is the shape of the base. This is here the shape of the top. So to draw the development of an object means to draw the shape of all its surfaces laid out flat in one plane, as I said earlier. And the development, when bent along certain lines, will form the shape of the object. So to draw the development of this prism, these are the steps to follow. You can also try this on your own, but this is basically how it's done. Hopefully in some episode in this course I'll be demonstrating it out.